Hey, what's up guys? How you doing today? Yeah, in this video I'm gonna share with you two ways how you can stay online on Fiverr through your using your mobile phone. And the second option I'll be sharing with you is it will work for your PC. So but the first one I'll be sharing with you is staying online with your mobile phone if you are using an Android device. So I'll be sharing with you how you can stay online on Fiverr for 24 hours. And I understand the fact that this will definitely help you to get more sales like clicks, impression, and other stuff. So I'll share with you the first that I will share with you is Florello. You can see the app here. You can see the app here. Just go to your Play Store and download this app, Florello. Florello. Just put in Florello. Then download the app. Then once you download the app, you click on open. So once you open, this is the page that you will see on your mobile phone. This is the page that you see. You can see it here clearly. So this is the page that you see. Then I will set up everything. On the option of URL and app, then you click on app. Then locate where your app is. So I'm working on to check my app, which is Fiverr app. Yeah. So I've chosen my Fiverr app. Then the interface, I'll put in 250 seconds. Then no limit. Yep. So I'm going to show you how it is. Okay. Small button fixed enable. Okay. Okay. So this is how I set up everything. This is how I set up everything. You can see here, and you can see the Fiverr logo here. You can see the logo here. Then you click on load. So every 250 seconds, the app will be reloading. Every 250 seconds, the app will be reloading. That's the first option to make you stay online on Fiverr. So that's the first option. The second option I'm going to be sharing with you is using your browser, either Firefox or Opera Mini. So I'll be using Firefox as an example. Then you visit onto urlreload.com. urlreload.com. So once you visit this website, then in the URL to reload, where you see the URL to reload, you go to your Fiverr, then input your Fiverr dashboard link inside the box. So once you input the Fiverr dashboard link, then in the refresh option, which is refresh interval, you input 250 seconds there too, and every 250 seconds, your app, your browser will be refreshing, and it will make you stay online on Fiverr. And also make sure that you log in your Fiverr account through this browser, because it will be reloading within the browser. And so far you connected your Fiverr account with this browser, so everything will be just refreshing. And I hope this video helps you. Thank you.